Hello, welcome back to Gritty Potato. Today it will be experimenting potato. Today I will be bleaching my hair and then followed by dyeing it ash bleach. So here are the items that I'll be using today. So this EZN bleach, I will have 2 boxes prepared in case I can't cover all of my head. And then followed by this ash beige hair dye, this pudding hair dye, also by EZN. Then just in case my hair gets fried and turns into straw, I also bought this serum called Dr. Bokgoo. I suppose it's something that works like Olaplex. It's going to protect the hair follicles from like getting too brittle, so I'll be adding this serum into the bleach and the box dye. So these are the items that I'll be using: the hair color, 2 boxes of bleach, and this hair serum. See what's inside the box for this bleach. So in the box it has the bleach and developer and also the nozzle, followed by the gloves. Time to shake 20 to 30 times. Now to add this Dr. Bokgoo serum, 8 ml each bottle. So this is how my hair looks like now, very dark color. My original hair color. And I'm going to start dyeing. So I'm going to start bleaching from the back of my head all the way to the top. So do remember to wear a t-shirt that you can sacrifice. Let's start. Okay, now that I'm finished backcombing all my hair, I'm going to continue to apply more onto the hair just so that I don't miss out any parts and then it becomes very weird. So yeah, I'm going to be mixing it a bit more. I feel a bit of a tingling sensation on my hair, on my scalp, but it's actually not very painful or itchy compared to what I had faced previously when I bleached my hair in the salon. So currently I'm still feeling okay. So I'm just going to mix more of this bleach on my hair so that I cover every strand. So I can already see my hair lightening now. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and then hope for the best. Okay, done. I'm gonna keep it on for 20 to 30 minutes and then I will wash it off and check back with you later. So it's been 20 minutes and I can see that my hair color is really light now and it looks like it's a bit patchy. The roots are not very light now, so I'm a bit scared. Oh gosh. I'll just go and wash my hair and then get back to you. No. By the way, I'm bleaching my eyebrow too. Hello, Sunukong is back instead of Beauty Potato. Look at my hair. I washed it with shampoo. I washed it with a purple shampoo and then followed by using a normal conditioner. And actually, I don't feel that my hair is very dry, but then it felt very dry when I washed it. So maybe this is just a temporary effect that it's still not dead yet. But yeah, this is the orange color hair that I have. Unfortunately, because Asians, we have a lot of red pigments on our hair, so after bleaching it will look like this. So unless we go ahead to do another few more rounds of bleaching, then the color will turn into a more yellowish color. But I'm not going to do that for my hair for now. Maybe further down after a few months, then maybe I'll try again, or maybe not. So yeah, not promising anything. But yeah, I also bleached my eyebrow now, so the first time I see so little eyebrow on myself, because most of them are already in a very light color. So let's go ahead and see how the overall look of my hair after bleaching is. So yeah, I think overall it actually looks quite okay. I don't have any very dark patches that are not bleached at all. So yeah, I'm actually quite surprised at the how it looks like, the effect of it. So yeah, that's how it looks like. For the side, this is, I think it's still okay, acceptable range. Then I'm going to go ahead and dye this pudding hair dye. So I really have no idea what color it will turn out into, because from this dye, the sample colors are like, they never tell me what orange will look like in this dye. So yeah, just finger crossed that it will turn out nice, and then really hoping to get a very to get a brown, ashy brown color on my hair. So yeah, let's go ahead with the hair dyeing process. Moving on, what we have in this box of hair dye, the ash beige hair dye, is ear hair shower cap thing, and then the cape, followed by gloves, and then the hair color inside this box. And they actually gave a small sachet of this Dr. Bokgoo hair treatment, which I already used just now. So yeah, remember that it comes with a small sachet instead of this big bottle one. So now let's go ahead and mix this. Shake it horizontally. Really looks like a pudding now. So I'm gonna add in this serum as well. I'm gonna add in everything. Same, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part out my hair apart and then start dyeing the color from the bottom. So this is the dye that I mixed just now. So one thing about this, it kind of gets very messy because I didn't close it properly, so everything spilled out. So I'm really hoping that everything will be fine. So it turns out really like a pudding style. And yeah, it's quite messy as compared to those foaming bubble hair dyes. So I've covered my whole head. So one thing I like about this pudding thing is it doesn't drip compared to some of the other hair dyes that I have tried. But then one box is actually very little product. So even with my super short hair, I feel that I can actually do with another additional half a bottle, but I don't have it with me. So yeah, just gonna try to spread it out as much as possible. Then I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. Now my scalp is feeling a bit tingly and a bit painful, so yeah, I can't wait for this to be over soon. So I'm back with dyeing this, and I expected this color, but it's still looking very orangey, except that I feel that maybe it's a bit toned down, but then it's nothing near this color. And maybe one thing about it is I just left it on for 20 minutes instead for the recommended 30 minutes because my scalp is burning. It's so painful, so I had to wash it off already because I feel that my hair is gonna fall off if I just keep it burning on my head. Then so maybe that's why the color didn't turn out as I expected. So it's still in this very orangey state, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Maybe in a couple of weeks time, then if I really can't stand the color, then I'll do something about it, but I try not to damage it anymore. But surprisingly, my hair texture doesn't feel compromised at all. Maybe it's because of the Dr. Bokgoo thing that helped out, and also in the past, whenever I dye my hair, even after putting on the conditioner, I'll still feel that my hair is very stringy, but then now after I put on the conditioner, the hair feels super soft lah. So let's hope that it continues this way. So as for the verdict whether I would recommend these products, so first, I really don't recommend even dyeing hair lah, but yeah, if you really want to go ahead to do that, the bleach I highly recommend if you want to bleach. So for this bleach, right, it wouldn't cause the hair to like fall off like some of the crazy videos like we see on YouTube, because I think the developer here is not that high. So yeah, it will turn into this orangey color for Asian hairs. Then maybe if you want your hair to go even lighter, then maybe go ahead and use this bleach after a few weeks. Let your hair rest a bit and then continue bleaching it, instead of doing a bleach and then second bleach and third bleach, and then yeah, of course that will cause your hair to fall. So for me, after bleaching for 30 minutes, I don't see a lot of hair falling off like crazy. So yeah, that's a good thing about this product, I think. And then as for this pudding hair dye, no, don't get it, I really don't like it. First, the quantity is very little, and then next, I don't know whether is it because of the bleaching process already, my scalp burns a lot when I apply this. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this, partially because it's very messy as well. When I mix it up, maybe it's my own problem, but then I made a big mess mixing this up. So yeah, probably going to try other hair dyes instead. So I'm actually very surprised that these Korean hair dye products are very, very good. I really like this bleach. Seriously, I really like it a lot. Then yeah, that's all for this hair bleaching process. Then maybe I'll do another maybe 2 or 3 weeks update and then give a short review on my Instagram, so keep a lookout on that. And also, yeah, if you're wondering how my hair got so short again, it's because I did my own haircut myself. So if you'd like to watch the video on how I did my hair this short, click the link above. Hi, so this is the 2 weeks update after I have bleached my hair and dyed my hair. So I'd like to give a summary and a wrap up of how this bleaching and hair dyeing session worked out for me. So I'd like to tabulate the results I have given for these 2 products. Number 1, the bleach product from EZN. So for the bleach, actually, I felt that it's a very good item. I'm very happy with how the bleach went. I was very surprised that you could actually lift so much color from my hair to this tone now. So for the results of the bleach, I'd like to give it 5 stars. The cost, I'll be giving it 4 stars because I actually need to use 1.5 bottles even for my short hair. I bought it from Guardian during the 3 for 2 promotion, so it actually cost me around $20 for the hair bleach. You can also find this brand on Shopee, and I think it costs around $11 to $12 for 1 bottle. Next, for the ease of use, I'm giving it 3 stars because actually it doesn't come with a comb. It comes in a nozzle tip, so actually it's a bit difficult to spread the product out. I had to use my fingers to spread it out. As for the scent, I'm giving it 5 out of 5. I couldn't smell anything out of it, and then I was dyeing my hair in my room with the door closed and I didn't feel suffocated at all, and really it doesn't smell anything to me. And also, after bleaching my hair, I don't feel that my hair is super frizzy, damaged, and also I don't face any hair falling issues. So overall, my rating for this EZN bleach product is 8.5 out of 10 stars. So a very good item if you like to do DIY hair bleaching at home. Moving on to the product that I'm a bit disappointed, the pudding hair dye. For the cost, I'm going to give it 3 stars because even with my super short hair, one bottle doesn't seem enough, which is quite surprising because I've tried other box hair dyes and then for short hair, one bottle will be enough. Next, for ease of use, I'm giving it 3 stars because it's actually quite difficult to use to scoop it out of the bottle and then it gets very messy. So I don't really like that it's in a pudding container format. Next, for the scent, I'm giving it 5 out of 5 also because I actually don't smell anything, doesn't have any pungent ammonia smell to me. As for the results of how it looked like on my hair, I'm actually giving it only a 2 star because maybe I bought the wrong color, but then it doesn't show the ashy beige color on me well. I still feel that my hair is quite orangey, so maybe it's my own fault for not bleaching my hair enough. Maybe I should go another round of bleach for the color to show, but then I couldn't let the item stay on my head any longer because it was actually burning my scalp crazily. So instead of leaving it on for 30 minutes, I could only leave it on for 20 minutes. And I couldn't stand the burning sensation on my scalp anymore, so I had to wash it off in just 20 minutes. So maybe that's why the color didn't really show well on my hair. So for this EZN Pudding product, it gets a 6.5 star. And I don't think I'll be trying any of the colors from this range anymore. So that's a wrap for this 2 weeks review. And then I hope to see you in my other video where I'll be using this Hello Bubble hair dye from, I can't pronounce it, Misen. This is the Blackpink version of the hair dye. So do keep a lookout on my channel to watch the video. That's all. Bye!